Welcome to day 2, everybody. Last night was good. I took my time, got a lot of good stuff done, even after the camera kind of stopped. I did get a lot of the bell housing bolts out just because I had some extra time. The camera did die, but we're really close. Engine basically just needs to come out. Other than, like I said, I'm going to remove the header, a couple bell housing bolts. Obviously the pitch stop has to come off. It's really close. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna hop under the car, get the header off, disconnect the up pipe, and it's pretty straightforward after that. The up pipe is now loose. I'm just gonna try and see if I can get it off one hand. Was able to get the up pipe out. It is now over there. So now down to the header. I was struggling a little bit with the header, not gonna lie. There's one bolt that is just a little bit difficult, so I'm just gonna leave it in. It'd be a lot easier, if I just pull it out with the header on and remove it from inside or from outside the car. I'm waiting for the cherry picker. Armando's gonna bring it over. But one thing I will mention is you always need one of these. 14mm Allen, as a lot of people forget about the pin back there behind the clutch fork to actually be able to separate the engine and pull it out. But I'm going to do that now, and then pretty much that is all we need to do until he gets here with the cherry picker. So once you get your plug off here, you will then need to go pull that slide out. What you can use is either like what I'm using is a timing belt cover bolt. I think other people use a different bolt, but I'm going to use this one. It goes right in and it's going to be nice and easy. As you can see, nice and easy. Just threads into that back end. Just unthread it. Whoops. And just put it to the side. The engine is now 100% ready to pull. So I'm just waiting for Armando. He's gonna bring me by the cherry picker. So I'm just gonna take clean everything up. I kind of made a mess in here, and then when he gets here, I will check back in and we'll get this engine pulled. We have the cherry picker from Armando, engine stand from Steven. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. I know I need to get my own, but I don't plan on pulling my engine too many times. Anyway, Mondo's getting a chain and some hydraulic fluid, and should be set after that.
It's so long. Maybe we should have gone a little shorter.
Thanks for showing up.
Hi.
About to yank this hog out. fine. Yep.
Everything
Pull
good?
it. Just go up. I get it. Damn, dude, how'd you do that so quick?
I'm a trained mechanic.
I'm gonna tire you more often. Completely out. Already. Dang, nice coat.
Part of the beast.
Alright, put it in that one. We're recycling it. That's it for today, Mondo. I am not working on this tonight at all anymore. Tired, I'm hungry, and I'm gonna go lay down with my pregnant wife. Good night, love you.